going to have a bit of a look over of our camper setup, the slide-on camper. 2016 model impact tray camper Traymax, but they're no longer making them anymore, and it did have a big tent off the side of it that was really good, and we've got pictures coming up of all that. To modify it so it was easier to go off-road, so two companies and folks in Tweed Heads that helped us out. So one is PhatDab Custom, highly recommended. So this is our kitchen at the back of the vehicle. Previously we had a big steel of timber, very nice. It had a Smeg 3-burner cooker and sink. We got the PhatDab Custom guys to make us a lighter version because all the weight's at the back. Now we've got a fully alloy pull-out tray. We've got a solid reinforced tray here that can take a heap of weight, so for cutting and for putting the cooker on. There's also another little slide out here for extra tray space, and the kicker of this is then this one, that we have all the space to put extra stuff in, cutlery and things like that. So that's been part of the modifications. So you had to put the big symbol down here, which is pretty cool. That goes back in, and then the other part is where this used to have the canvas coming off and going 5 metres across. Obviously in an area like this, as you look around, it's hard to put a 5 metre canvas tent out because it's all uneven. So we worked together and got this platform. It comes off the side, so instead of having our doors on the side that are accessible, now we've got this platform that comes up, and they help put that in. And then Glenn Slighty's custom canvas. We went to him with a project and he said, I'll give it a go. So he basic cut the tent and then moved the door and everything that was on the ground over 5 metres away back up seamlessly, put it all together. So now this is a really easy and simple getaway. We've got a walk platform up to the double bed, and that's pretty easy. Glenn also then made us a tropical tent, a tropical roof, to go over top, because this thing used to cook in any amount of sun. It definitely gives a good gap in the roof, and we are already feeling it today. We're just at Camooweal. It's not a hot day, but you certainly can't feel any of the heat that's going through there. So yeah, shout out to those two companies. Great people to work with, and they've certainly helped us make our camper a lot more suitable for our off-road, as whistling kites are diving behind us to eat food. We're going to get some lunch. Thanks for watching. So the original camper we bought wasn't meant to be used on the vehicle, and it had a totally different setup. We've since modified it to how we like to use it, and that's exactly why we engaged PhatDab Customs and Slighty Custom Canvas to help us get what we were after, because then it enables us to go further off-road and camp a lot easier than what we did.